I have brought you two of the coolest bikes you have never seen before. Before watching these two bikes, if you are a girl, like the video. If you are a boy, like it and subscribe to the channel. Number 1, classic style meets modern power. Check out this bike with a bold retro design and strong road presence. Built for smooth city rides and relaxed weekend cruising. Wide body, comfortable seat, and stable handling give you a true cruiser feel. Every ride turns heads and delivers confidence on the road. This isn't just a bike, it's a lifestyle. Number 2, small bike, big attitude. Check out this compact mini bike with a bold design and serious street style. Lightweight, fun to ride, and perfect for quick city runs or casual cruising. With its sturdy frame, comfortable seat, and punchy performance, this bike delivers pure riding joy in a small package. Simple, stylish, and built for fun. Ride different, ride smart.